Hey, welcome back to the Mods YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk turtles. Hey, welcome back to the Museum of Discovery and Science. My name's Michael. I'm with Alina, one of our animal handlers. Alina, you got a different turtle here today. Who is this?
Today I have brought out our local resident Scooter, the Yellow-Bellied slider.
So, yellow-bellied, I'm assuming he has a yellow belly, right?
If you look at it, yes he
does.
does.
Awesome. And slider because he likes to slide.
He slides right into the water off the banks.
Awesome. And so this is a freshwater turtle, so they only live in freshwater. Now, how do you know the difference between a water turtle and, let's say, a tortoise or a sea turtle? How do you, just by looking at this one?
Well, first things first, you're going to notice the difference between a turtle and a tortoise is their shell.
Okay, and what about the shell?
His shell is hydrodynamic, so it's a lot flatter and it's easier to cut through the water than the large mountainous shells of tortoises.
Okay.
Also, if you look at his little hands, he not only has claws, but he does have webbing between his flippers to help him swim through the water.
Okay, and what about his diet? What does this guy like
Now,
to eat?
freshwater turtles are omnivores, so just like other freshwater turtles, they like to eat plants, algae, they also eat fish, they eat worms, they eat insects that have to be on the bank. They're pretty opportunistic in whatever they can come across.
Now, we see a lot of people, they live on lakes, they live near water, and they see these around their house a lot. So one cool thing a lot of people usually tell me is that they hiss at them. Can they actually hiss?
They can. When they're startled, they will let you know they are very upset. They'll stick their head in and they will blow out air through their nose.
Oh,
and
so
their
they're
mouth.
just kind of exhaling very loudly.
Yep, very loudly to let you know. Now, Scooter here is a yellow-bellied slider. The yellow-bellied sliders are the natives to our Florida waters, unlike the red-eared sliders that you might see at the park.
I'm
now,
assuming a red-eared slider has the red
the
ears.
big red dot
Okay.
right around in circle. If you notice, he's all black with yellow markings. He does not have the red-eared dot. Now, funny enough that the red-eared sliders are native to all other southern states except for Florida. So they are an invasive species.
So Alina, this is a freshwater turtle. I assume they lay eggs. Where do they lay their eggs?
Well, they lay their eggs in nice, mushy, protected areas, but these guys are also prone to laying their eggs within alligator's nest.
In an alligator's nest?
Yeah. So, as you can imagine, these guys can't exactly provide the best protection from raccoons or snakes or the such predators. So they lay their eggs in alligator's nest because alligators will lay and protect their eggs.
That's really cool. What a great idea.
It's clever.
And when they lay their eggs, another thing that I've heard is temperature can help decide whether it's going to be males or females for these turtles. Is that true?
Yes, so
okay.
these turtle species, most turtle species actually do not have the X or Y chromosome. What decides the gender of the turtle is entirely the temperature that the eggs incubated at.
Got it. Okay, fantastic. And just for our viewers, are freshwater turtles only found here in the state of Florida?
Nope, you can find them in most freshwater bodies of water, even up north. But this particular species is native only to us.
And he loves to run and swim. I can see as he's practicing his best Superman
desires
right
freedom.
now.
And believe it or not, turtles are not slow moving. If you give them a chance, they can sprint very fast across the pavement.
Awesome. Well, thank you for presenting this awesome freshwater turtle. We'll see everybody next time. Have a good one. Hey, we want to thank the Batchelor Foundation for sponsoring this today, and if you liked what you saw, make sure you subscribe below.